If you have gestational diabetes, here is one thing you need to know. Not all normal blood sugar levels are normal during pregnancy. Now, the pregnancy blood glucose targets are a little stricter because we're trying to protect both the mother as well as the baby. Now, what are the numbers every pregnant woman should know? First is the fasting blood glucose level. Now, this should be less than 95 milligram per deciliter. This is often the hardest sugar to control because the pregnancy hormones work overnight. Now, the second is 1 hour after starting a meal. Now, this has to be less than 140 milligram per deciliter. And the third is the 2-hour reading, which is after starting a meal, and this should be less than 120 milligram per deciliter. Now, many doctors use 1 hour or 2-hour target depending on the situation. Now, why are pregnancy targets so strict? Now, this is because high blood glucose levels don't just affect the mother, the glucose crosses the placenta and reaches the baby. And this increases the risk of a large baby, difficult delivery, low blood glucose in the newborn, NICU admission, pregnancy complication. And there's a common myth that my sugar is only 130 milligram per deciliter. It's normal, right? Not always. Now, for a non-pregnant adult, this may be acceptable, but for a pregnant woman, the timing of that particular reading is important. So, a blood sugar level that seems okay outside of pregnancy may be above the target during pregnancy. So, a reading of 130 milligram per deciliter may be normal for a 1-hour reading, but it is actually high for a 2-hour reading. Now, another mistake that women make is checking only the fasting readings. So, sometimes you can have normal fasting readings but high post-meal sugars, and that can still affect the baby. So, what all should you monitor? Fasting, after breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner. And most importantly, follow the plan that's recommended by your doctor. So finally, don't compare your sugar targets to those of your husband or your parents. Your pregnancy has its own rules. And every time you stay in target, you're helping creating a healthier environment for your baby. Thank you.